If your check engine light is on and you've got the P0306 code, that means your engine is misfiring on cylinder 6. A misfire happens when that cylinder isn't burning fuel properly, which can cause a rough idle, loss of power, and even damage to the engine if ignored. But what actually causes the P0306 code? Let's break it down from the easiest and most common causes to the more complicated ones. The first thing to check is the spark plug for cylinder 6. Over time, spark plugs wear out, get dirty, or even crack, causing weak or no spark. This leads to incomplete combustion and a misfire. Replacing the spark plug is an easy and cheap fix. If the spark plugs look fine, the next suspect is the ignition coil. A failing coil can cause weak spark or intermittent misfires. Try swapping the ignition coil from cylinder 6 to another cylinder. If the misfire moves, you found the problem. The next cause could be a clogged or faulty fuel injector on cylinder 6. This can prevent the right amount of fuel from reaching the cylinder, leading to a misfire. You may need to test the injector's resistance or clean it. If the spark and fuel system check out, low compression could be the issue. This happens when there's a problem with the valves, piston rings, or head gasket preventing proper combustion. A compression test will confirm if this is the issue. The next cause could be a cracked or leaking intake manifold in your cylinder 6. This allows unmetered air directly in the cylinder 6, throwing off the air-fuel mixture and creating a lean condition which leads to a misfire. The next possibility is carbon buildup on the intake valves. Direct injection engines are known to have carbon buildup on the intake valves, which can restrict airflow and cause a misfire. If cylinder 6 is affected, you'll need to clean the intake valves. The last cause could be a bad ground connection specific to cylinder 6. A weak or corroded ground connection to the ignition coil or injector can cause misfires. If other electrical issues are happening along with the misfire, it's worth checking the ground wires. Now if you've experienced P0306 and managed to fix it, share how you did it in the comments below.